Hey, Lana Thomas here with Aspire Realty Group. I'm here with Urie from Fulcrum Home Loans, one of my preferred lenders. We're going to talk a little bit today about what Fulcrum does.
My name is Urie. I'm a loan partner here at Fulcrum Home Loans. We're based out of Eagle, Idaho, and we have offices in Coeur d'Alene, Moscow, Idaho Falls, and then Twin Falls. So we are a wholesale broker. We work with about 25 different investors, and we shop to try to find the best rate, the best products for our clients.
Tell me a little bit about what wholesale lending is and how it differs from maybe getting a loan from a bank.
Yeah, so I mean, pretty much when it comes to mortgage loans, there's about 3 different classifications. There's gonna be your banks, which is gonna be like your ICCUs, your Wells Fargos, Bank of America, stuff like that. And then you're gonna have your retail lenders, which is gonna be Fairway, Guild, Premier Mortgage, Gateway Mortgage. And then you're gonna have your wholesale lenders, which is gonna be the brokers, like Fulcrum. So what we do is, instead of having a set list of products and a set list of guidelines, we work with about 25 different investors, and each one of them kind of specializes in their own type of products. So, I mean, really what we do is we shop around for specific products for our clients, try to get the best rates, the best closing costs. So it really puts us in a nice position where we're not saying no. We're not running into situations where can't get the loan to go through, or we don't do that specific type of loan, because we have so many different options and there's so many different wholesale lenders out there. So it really puts us in a good position to be able to help as many people as possible.
With rates, interest rates have been a little bit higher, and it's been a little bit tougher for first-time home buyers to get into homes. But I know that there are some products out there that you guys use and through Idaho Housing that are helping, especially first-time home buyers right now. Could you explain that a bit?
So we broker through Idaho Housing, and they have a lot of really good products for first-time home buyers and then non-first-time home buyers as well. One of those is the tax exemption program. So it has about 1/4% interest rate improvement as opposed to some of their other products. It's really good. Idaho Housing is pretty versatile. Really the main requirement is just household monthly income has to be under $150,000 a year. But one thing that kind of gives us a competitive edge as opposed to other people who use Idaho Housing is that we don't have a 1% origination fee attached to ours, which a lot of retail and banks do. So that's good, saves you a little bit of money.
So what else makes Fulcrum stand out from other lenders in the Valley?
I think probably one of the main things that gives Fulcrum a competitive edge to a lot of the other retail lenders and banks is that we are a mortgage broker. So we do work with 25 different investors. We have a wider range of products. And then on top of that, one of our main wholesale lenders that we send our business to, since we send such a high volume, we have what's called platinum status with them. Mm-hmm. So we get pricing incentives. So we do get a nice little bump on interest rates as well. And then also we have other types of things that can help assist with the transaction itself. It just makes our clear to close a lot faster.
So the market is heating up a bit again, especially for first-time home buyers in that price range, anywhere from $300,000 to $450,000 has been a little bit competitive again. So Urie and I work together sometimes with programs that Fulcrum offers, like a 12-day close, or are there any other incentives that you can think of that you've used?
Yeah, I mean, there's a few different things. I think probably one of the main aspects is that we are able to close, relatively fast in comparison to a lot of other lenders. Do that platinum status that I mentioned earlier, it really assists our files in moving through underwriting a lot quicker. So yeah, right now we currently have an average of about 12, 13 day clear to close. So yeah, I mean, if you're trying to get really competitive, especially when it comes to writing offers and you're only against multiple offers, sometimes that shorter contract period can be the determining factor of you winning that deal. So instead of writing a 30-day contract, depending on the file, write a 21-day contract period. Sometimes that can be the thing that's going to win the deal for you.
Absolutely.